Hey everybody, and welcome back to Hatch 2.0. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery, and today we are going to talk about this feature right here, create outlines and offsets, and I'm going to show you a few cool things that you can do with it. Now, I know everyone knows the outlines and offsets, you can make cool lettering key fobs with them easy, but now that they've added a few more things, we can do more. We can do a lot more. And I want to show you guys how to make some decorations or some borders. So let's go to Digitize and let's go to Digitize Open Shape and let's just create kind of a shape. And I'm just going to do it like this, I think. I'm thinking like Easter egg or a Christmas decoration. Well, that's just a straight line. That's not much of anything. So let's head over to our Create Layouts and create outlines and offsets. Now, I don't want an outline. An outline on a line wouldn't be much. So we're going to do the offset outlines. I don't want holes because we don't have that. And I'm going to make this round. And I'm going to leave it at 3 because I like to see how it works out. Now, you guys are going to be amazed because this is awesome. So let's click OK. Now, that looks kind of far away. It doesn't look like much. However, if you do this, take out the line, look at what you have now. And you have it in different sizes. But, okay, so that doesn't even look that spectacular. How about we fill it? How's that? Isn't that neat? And then we can put it back, or you don't even have to move it. I was just showing you guys. And isn't that cool? Now you have a decoration. And I think like that looks pretty cool. Why don't we change this to a motif and zoom in a bit and play around with the motifs? But you can get a completely different look just in a couple of clicks, and I think it's really neat. Look at that. Tell me that's not awesome. So you can make borders, you can make decorations. How about you put some Christmas trees on it? And you can do so many things. So let's take this one and let's do it in a fill. Now you can change it to satin. This one's a little bit big, so we could make it smaller. Now the satin has split quite a bit, and I personally don't care for that look, but that's okay. So let's move in there. Now the only real problem with that is that the angles are kind of weird. It is split again. So we want to go to Edit, Objects, and we want to add stitch angles. And you just click and we're going to make it look a little bit better. We could do the corners too and it would look even better, but let's try that and see how that looks. Now there is a split going down the middle, but that's okay. Doesn't that look so much better? So you can make it in satin. You can change stuff. The best part about this, these new shapes that you're making that are very creative are now editable. So if you make one of these and you want to manipulate it a little bit, look what you can do. Look, you can change it around. So if you wanted this to be, straight on this side, you can do that. Look at that. If you want it to be, more tapered or more like this, whatever this would be, but if that's what you want, look how it changes it. So you can create new and interesting shapes just by doing the outlines and offsets, and you can add to it, you can change stuff, you can move things around. Now obviously I'm going to change it back to Tommy because that drives me crazy with the splitting, but now I've created a different shape, and you can add nodes, you can add a whole bunch of different things. You could do an offset on this, or you could do an outline. So really the creativity is just through the roof on this. There are so many things you can do just by creating an offset. And I'm thinking this is an excellent way to get digitizing and be creative and just start something from nothing. So play around with the motif stitches, play around with the layouts. Remember that you can go in and change things once you fill it. Hatch makes it so much easier. So play around with it and let me know what you guys think. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys like this quick quick video on the awesome new features. We will be doing more. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to let me know you want more videos just like this. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!